Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gosia Home Cooking. Today we're gonna make delicious and beautiful cheese buns. It's a very simple recipe. I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. Flour, 2 tablespoons of dry yeast, a little bit sugar, warm milk. I add sugar and warm milk to activate yeast. Now I have to wait. When I see the more bubbles and the yeast will be floaty, we can start the next step. The yeast is floaty. Now I can add more ingredients. 4 egg yolks, sugar, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, vanilla, pinch of salt. Now I can combine all ingredients. The last part I will add warm melted butter. The dough is done. Now we have to wait to my dough double size. First I will start with 3 eggs, cup of sugar and mix everything. Vanilla, lemon extract and orange extract. Now I will add white cheese, cream cheese. One stick of butter, potato starch, salt and cream of wheat. The all ingredients combine. Now will be next step. Do żółweczki ze serem będę robiła teraz. Ze serem. Doskonale.